What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Emotional, and guess what?
I'm back, and I'm better than ever. Got a neck.
And we are back at it for another reaction video. This is Ankudinova, Wounded Sounds. I was about to say Souls. Video premiere 2025. Like, comment, subscribe. Now, baby, let's vibe. Hit the button, baby.
Смотри, какие фразы на мне блестит до переплава колье кипит, дыхание только боль. Я путала тебе с собой. Эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня.
Hold on one second. I'm trying to see something. Mug kind of vibey. Hold on, but is there a layer in there that I'm missing? It is. It's a deeper note in there. Okay. I just wanted to make sure I wasn't tripping and didn't miss it. That was trippy. I'm not even gonna fake it. That was a trippy edit. Like, that was a trippy edit, bro. Cause I was like, yo, like, what the heck just happened to her? But like, that was a trippy edit. That mug was clean though. It just was trippy. We not gonna act like whoever edited this video ain't bacon. We not gonna act like that. We not gonna do that. Like, we just not gonna do that. Like, the person that edited this video is baking with these transitions. These transitions are fire. Like, watch it again. Like, she transitioned from having the umbrella to, like, it's like she turned into like this black smoke, and then now she's in the black smoke. That's trippy. Like, this is a fire edited video, bro.
Мне страшно простоять без огня. Колючий город режется, сгорает подо мною боль. Эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня. Хорошо. Слухов, раненые звуки, я не стану копаться, выможу руки. Хорошо, ты не слухов, раненые звуки, я не стану копаться, выможу руки. Эй, ты спаси меня.
Last time, it's the stuff in the back right here. Hold on.
Я не стану копаться, выможу руки.
It's like the thing in the background. Like, it's a nice thing. It's a nice thing in the background. Bruh, that transition is everything. That transition is everything. Like, look at it again, bro. Wait a second. Wait a second. Like, if you see, like, okay, let me see something. I'm trying to see. Was her face warped? Hold on. Am I tripping? Okay, yep. Like, right there. Hold on. And then it's like, this is hard. Like, this is really hard. Like, their transition was so hard. That was good. That was really, really good, dog. Like, the song was one of those. I was kind of, I had to let it marinate. I had to let it grow on me a little bit. Like, at first I was kind of like, where are we going? But then as it keeps going, I'm like, oh, like when it got to the chorus, okay, we can vibe. We can vibe. We can definitely vibe. It's definitely one of them ones I'm like, yo, this is fire. But like the video, like the last vid, and then this one. Wait, what was the last vid? What was the last vid from Deanna? What was it? Where is it? Let me see. Cause that mug was fire. I know we talked about it. Yeah, it was Nobody Says. Nobody Says. That video, very well put together. This one, very well put together. These last two music videos have been very well edited. Actually, matter of fact, not even just that one. What was the other one that I liked? I Don't Notice. That one too. Those three come to my mind when I really think about the videos she's put out. Like, those videos were very well put together, very well edited. Transitions were crazy. Like, the transitions in this one were crazy. Like, they were crazy. Like, again, like, you got Deanna holding the umbrella, and then, like, you transition to, like, this, like, dark area or whatever, and Deanna's running. Then, like, you got that one at the end where it's, like, it transitioned to, like, this, like, I don't even know what that place is even called or what you would call it, but I know there was like a big tree in the back. So question, where is it? Let me see if I find it. Oh no, okay, I was about to ask, was this green screen or was this real? And I'm assuming it's green screen. That's what I'm gonna assume. But dog, this is really well put together. Like, this video was really well put together. I really like this vid. The song is vibey too. But I'm thinking about her though. Peace, baby. Love ya.